Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce to you the components of the fuel cell system. So as indicated in this diagram, the fuel cell system is located here, and it is supplied by the hydrogen and the oxygen from the air. So when the hydrogen and the oxygen come to the fuel cell stack, it will happen the reaction which create the water come out and the electricity. So the electricity from power output here from the fuel cell will be used to supply to the power management mode. Power management here we have the power in for the power management, and this point is actually the same point as here. So as you can see the power in here, it will go to the DC-DC converter, and then it will be connected to the battery, and then the DC DC output, and even via the inverter we have the AC output. Okay, so the DC output here is actually DC output this point. The AC output here is actually this point. So we don't care about the AC output at the moment because we will come back to it later, but at this point we just care about the output, the DC output here, because we have the load, electronic load here. So the DC output here, it will be used to supply to the electronic load here. So DC output here, it will be connected to the load here. Okay, so for the load we have the voltage, the current, just the voltmeter and the ammeter indicating the voltage applied to the load and the current run through the load. And using those components here, we can adjust different mode, like increasing the value of the load, or selecting like the constant current load mode, the constant power load, or the resistive load. So that's all for the different modules from Heliocentris. And to operate the system here, we need the hydrogen in. So actually we bought the hydrogen in here. You can see the canister here. So this the storage of hydrogen, and then we supply the hydrogen to the system. More than that, we have the safety device here. This one is the alarm, just to measure the leaking gas, leaking hydrogen. And if the leaking hydrogen is over a setting point, the alarm will notify us the situation to prevent the dangerous things to happen. And the next thing is the monitor. We have the big monitor here, on which we have the next training system version 1.4. If we open this one, we will see everything is indicated in here, the fuel cell and the load and everything here. So that's the main components of the fuel cell system. So in the next video I will introduce the operation of the fuel cell by doing a trial running. See you in the next video.